It's a 2018 Ford Mustang. It's covered with paint, overspray. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Probably will right there. Everywhere, I mean, everywhere. That truck there, that dude is slammed. It's got even more on it. Do it tomorrow. But look at the paint. One way you can really tell, look at his back windows. The tail lights here. It's all the way to the very bottom of this vehicle. All right. And I'm gonna use that brand new bar of clay. So, see how it's stuck to the fender? So I'm gonna take this clay bar here and I'll show you the correct wax to use. And I'm just gonna sit here and clay it. It's not the easiest way to clean a car, but it's the safest way. And if you notice, like when I'm rubbing right now, you don't hear any noise. There's no friction because we have the wax on there. So when you do your car, I'm going to leave you some wax too. Put your light coat of wax on there. And what it does is it creates, reduces friction. Make sure you got everything off, so wipe off the panel. There you go.
Wow.
And it's not just any clay. This Auto Magic clay, it's the only thing I've used for years, is this blue clay. They have red, they have other clays. Everybody makes clay, but I mean, you know, when you think about, look at that, he has nothing to worry about his car. I know he was really worried about his car. He probably called me about 10 times. But you know.
No, it's brand new.
I know, it's brand new. It's brand new. This here particular overspray, the clay works great on it. It's a brand new bar of clay right here, so it's just slapping the shit off this car. Real easy. Plus, this Ford's got a really sweet paint job, I got to say. Now, I explained to the other fellow with the other car, I'm gonna do tomorrow's truck. I'm playing through wax, that reduces friction. You'll see, I'm going to show you on camera. It's cloudy, but the sun is kind of out. Wipe this off. You see Katie. And I'm not going to put any wax on it. Now check this out. That is no wax. I just clayed off. It's a pretty decent amount of overspray on this dude. No scuffing or anything. Look at that. That is a proven product right there. This dude's got some overspray on it. With the use of 2 bars, it's faster. One bar's new, one bar's kind of old. Not old, just used it on a few more vehicles. Together I can apply the correct pressure without scuffing. Okay, I want to show you here what we did. I've clayed it. I haven't put any wax on it, no polish in it or anything like that. I still got to do the other side. But look at that. Every bit of the overspray is gone. All around this little area here. Look at that. All in the corners, plus I'll go over it again. I left it here and I left it there. From here. Pretty sure the camera's picking that up. I just removed it from where I showed you. And this whole little area is done. But I mean, look at that. All the little edges, everything. That's the first go around. I will make sure it's all gone. Such a smooth bumper, Polyester. I'm gonna do some videotaping before we run out of light. But that's the hood after I do my rubus on it. Like I said, I use their fine polish. Looks good. That fender's looking choice. This is a good candidate for ceramic pro coating 9H. It's a brand new car. It's had its paint conditioned. Here you go, that's a finished product. 2018 Mustang, repaired from paint overspray damage. That paint looks pretty damn good. All that's been polished with my rubus. All that was covered with overspray. All the way to the very bottom. All the way to the bottom it had overspray on it. It's really hit. That trunk looks good. Alright, got it off all the trim. That trim's looking good. Check out the other side real quick. Looking good. I hear ya. All the little areas like right through here. No overspray anywhere around there. Anywhere around the edges. None of that. See that? And the front end, it was covered all the way to the very bottom. All that's been removed of overspray and polished. Headlights been polished. All that had overspray. All the way to the very bottom of that piece right there. That's looking good. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas, a division of National Overspray Removal on-site services. As demonstrated in this video, we'll come to your house. You know, if it's an overspray, I will, for nothing else.